Hello friends, welcome to part 33 of Laravel 12 multi-banner e-commerce series. So we will continue working on the products module, and in this part we are going to upload and delete product image and video. We are going to use Dropzone. We are going to use Dropzone drag and drop file upload feature in Laravel. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, we are going to update our add edit product form. Here we are going to add fields. One is product main image upload field and one is product video upload field. Okay. So let's open the add edit product blade file. So here I'm going to add the two fields. I'm going to add after group code, product price, discount, GST, product weight. After product weight, I'm going to add these fields because after that the test areas will start. Okay, so test fields are up till here. So I'm going to add first product main image upload field and then product video upload field. So these I have added, and also I have added here, like if in case the product image as well as the product video exist, then we are going to show the thumbnail of product image along with the delete, and in case of product video we are going to show the view icon along with the delete video. Okay, so view video link and with the delete video link if in case product video exists. Okay, here we're going to align it as well. Here you can see that we will also add the drop zone code. Okay, so you need to add it like this. I hope the screen is clear to you. One of my friend is saying that the screen, I need, please zoom the screen, okay, so that you can able to see. Okay, so here you can see main image drop zone here main image drop zone ID. Okay, so class is drop zone, so you need to add it like this. Okay, this is the predefined code that I have downloaded, I have seen from the chat GPT and integrated. Okay, so you can also do the same, and you can integrate it in your e-commerce website. So I am just telling you all these steps that you can take, and you can follow these steps and you can integrate drop zone feature, this drag and drop feature for all of your e-commerce website or any other website. You can use this feature. Okay, so here you can see that if the main image is coming, then we are going to show this one and along with the delete link. Okay, hidden field is also here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to uh, make hidden field here. Okay, and then this one links. Okay, same thing I'm going to do here so that it will look more meaningful. After that, I'm going to show the video. Okay, we're going to align it as well. Okay, so now it's simplified. So after adding these fields, we are going to add the Dropzone CSS and JS script in scripts.blade.php file. So we are going to add the Dropzone CSS, CDN links, okay, CDN, CSS, and JS. You can download the file offline and you can add this file offline. Okay, so I am going to add the links right down to save the time. I'm going to add at the bottom here, like we have added this widget alert last time. Now I'm going to add this Dropzone CSS and JS, and also I'm going to add the script for main image Dropzone and for product video Dropzone. Okay, so this script I'm going to add here. After this, I'm going to add the scripts. You can see. So here, see route. We are going to call this route in main image dropzone product.upload.image. This is the route name. Okay, so and here we are going to call this route product.upload.video to upload the video. Okay, so that the video will get uploaded. So this route will take the control to the function where we are going to upload the video. Okay, and also whatever the video is, we are going to add that video with this hidden field that okay, from there, and here the image from the hidden field. See, here we will accept, here we will get in the hidden field product video hidden, and here also the here you can see the main image hidden. Okay, so both image as well as the video we will get in the hidden field, and here we are going to get it by the id. Okay, get element by id. Here we will get, and we are going to send see via route to the function so that we can able to update in our table. Okay, and also we can able to add those image and video into this vector folder. So after this, we are going to add this route. See, we will work on the delete functionality on the same time. See, these first two routes is for the upload image and upload video, and after that, the route for delete product main image and delete product video. Okay, so I'm going to open the web.php file, and we'll add this route at the bottom of here. Going to align it. Right? So after that, I'm going to add this function for uploading the image, for uploading the video, for deleting the product main image, for deleting the product video. All these functions I'm going to add in the product controller. But here you can see the main logic is in the product service. Here, see, we are going to add the function head handle image upload function in the product service, and we'll call it. And this one handle video upload function in product service, and we will call it. Okay. So I'm going to copy this function, and here also delete product main image and delete product video. uh, Also we are going to use the product service for it, but right now we are going to add it in product controller. See here, no, see, we are not able to call the product service here. What we can do here, we can directly use it like this. Okay, instead of this one, we can use it like this, and here I can simply use here the file name, that is fine, and this one I can remove, and this one here also I'm going to use this product service, the instance of product service, because product service we have already injected earlier on in constructor, so it's not required to define once again. Just we are going to replace this service with the dollar service product service. Okay, the same thing we have done earlier also. This one also we are going to move this. Okay, so now these functions we are going to add in the product service for uploading of the image as well as the video, and for deleting of the image as well as the video. Okay, to open the product service here at the bottom. So you can see handle image upload, handle video upload, and this one is for delete product main image, and this one is for delete product video. Fine. And finally, we are going to add this add edit product function in product service. Okay, we are going to add this in add edit product function before saving. Yeah, see, upload product main image. See, we are going to update this add edit product function in product service for uploading of the main image as well as the product video, both for uploading and saving the image and video in the products table. So here we are going to add this code here. We're going to align it. Fine. So this one is done. And finally, we are going to update the delete handler in custom.js file. Okay. So this one we are going to modify as we are working on the its delete functionality as well, and so that it will pick the form based delete as well as the link based delete. So for that we need to update this confirm delete function. Uh, that is uh, uh, that is better than the last one. Okay, so that's why we are required to update. So that's all done. Now we are going to check. I'm going to click on add product, and here the main thing is this one, product main image as well as the product video. I'm going to search for the image here, like this one image. See, only one image is required. Here you can see that we able to add the product main image. Like if you are going to add one more, then it will not accept because this is just one image is allowed in this product main image. We will add one more later on, like for the multiple product images, for the alternate images of the product. That is not the main image, okay? And one product video. So product video, for the product video, we can download any dummy product video, okay? Download dummy video. Here 1 2 MB of video. I'm going to add the 1 MB of video. Okay, so I'm going to uh, here click on download and here drag it. Okay, so see the video has also uploaded like this, and it is showing that it is the 1.1 MB of video. Okay, so now other fields, I'm going to fill the other fields as well, like the blue casual t-shirt. Product code is BCT001 and blue. We will not fill group code right now. I'm going to add the 12 on the price. And we will not discount. GST I will not include. Weight I will not include. Okay. And we click on submit and see the product added successfully. Blue casual t-shirt. So I'm going to check in edit. See, the image has been uploaded and also the video has been uploaded. Here you can see the video is also working fine. Okay, so both the product image also we can click and can see the full site, and the delete icon with the delete icon here, and also the delete video. So we are going to click on delete, but first of all I'm going to check the other details are coming fine. When t-shirt is automatically selected here in the edit form. Okay, so here now I'm going to click on this delete for the product image, and we'll see that if it is working fine. We'll click on this delete, and here you can see the sweet alert is coming. Are you sure you want to delete? Okay, if I click on yes, delete it, it will delete, and if I click on cancel, then it will not do anything. But I'm going to click on yes, delete it. Yes, it deleted the image. Product image has been deleted successfully. Okay, so here I'm going to delete this one as well. Click on delete video. Will click on cancel, then nothing will happen. If I will click on yes, delete it, then it will delete the product video. Okay, product video has been deleted successfully. Okay, you can see both product image as well as the video has been deleted. Okay, so if you want to add, once again you can just add it like this and can able to add this image as well as the video. Okay, so here I'm going to add it once again, and we click on submit, and it will add in the edit form. This is the edit form, edit product form. Earlier on we have done the add product, this blue t-shirt we have added. See, I think there is some issue, so it is not adding. Okay, so see, it's I have opened the wrong product. Okay, earlier on. See, this is the blue casual t-shirt that I have opened the red casual t-shirt. Okay, so both are coming here fine. Okay, so I will also open the red casual t-shirt and will add the product main image as well as the video. Okay, so I can also edit like this. Okay, I will just add like for the normal like image you can add, or video you can add it like this. Okay, after clicking on it, all the videos will come here, all the images will come. Okay, and drag and drop is the plus advantage of this one. Okay, so I'm going to add here the image. Okay, and we'll also add the video here once again, and we'll click on save. we click on submit, and we'll see that the image as well as the video has been added. Okay, so like this we can able to add the drag and drop feature, drag and drop image as well as the video feature in our Laravel e-commerce website. Okay, so you can try this one at your end, and if you will find any trouble, you can surely contact me. And please make sure to join the channel to get the complete source code, and also subscribe the channel, okay, for more updates. This is the channel Stack Developers. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.